Okay, so the cube is being mixed, and we're gonna have a student solve the cube. This is amazing. Oh, that's really mixed. Yeah, that is mixed. No joke. Okay, nice work, nice work. You're right, it is already mixed. Okay, let's see a solution. Take your time.
Take my time. All right.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's watch. Let's watch the strategy of it. Let's watch the solution. Let's watch.
Wait, what am I doing?
He's the one who's king.
Let's watch. Let's watch. Let's watch. Let's watch. He's solving. That's amazing. Are you noticing what he's doing? You see the daisy? Like the flower?
He's making a daisy.
Daisy. Okay, then he's aligning the white
Oh,
cross.
that's red, right?
Yeah.
That's red, right here.
Oh, Rush, you're doing good. He's doing good. Okay, look, he's checked. He checked. The white cross is aligned.
Right here.
He's putting in the first layer, right? The white corners.
Yeah.
Let's see. He's not afraid of that little dinosaur over there.
You're not gonna get me. Dinosaur.
You're not gonna get me, dinosaur.
Not today.
Not today.
Yeah. Wait, that's red and green. The cross.
Oh, look at that.
cross.
He's got the first layer
Cross.
done. So now he's ready for the middle edges.